Good afternoon, dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss the guest paper of Economics for class 12th. This guest paper is framed by one of the renowned teacher from J&K who have got the best teacher award in economics, Dr. Aasif Hussain Nengroo. सो इसका मतलब है संभावना बहुत ज़्यादा है इस गेस्ट पेपर की। अगर आपके पास टीचर वो है जिसने अवार्ड याफ्ता हो पूरे J&K में इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट में, सो इसका मतलब ये है सब जो भी यहाँ टॉपिक्स है सबसे बेस्ट होंगे और सबसे अच्छे होंगे। सो वी हैव almost 9 units in this very subject. First 4 units are in part A, that is introductory microeconomics, and rest 5 units are in macroeconomics, that is introductory macroeconomics. First unit is introduction, second is consumer equilibrium and demand, third is lengthy unit, and fourth one is forms of market and price determination. And in part second, we have part B, that's introductory macroeconomics. We have again 5 units. First is national income and related aggregates. Second one is money and banking. Third one is determination of income and employment. Fourth one is government budget and income. And fifth is balance of income or payment of balances, balance payments. इसको बोल सकते हैं आप. So we will see here we have economics for class 12. Economics class 12. Class 12. This guest paper is framed by Dr. Aasif Hussain, award holder in economics from all over J&K, award holder. So इसका मतलब ही होगा कि जितने भी क्वेश्चंस यहाँ होंगे दे आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. इसका मतलब होता है संभावना बहुत ज्यादा है इन क्वेश्चंस की. इकोनॉमिक्स में है, डॉक्टरी डिग्री उसने हासिल की है, ठीक है, एंड इज टीचिंग दिस सब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट 12 years. So we have almost 31 questions in this guess. We have 31 questions, most expected questions in economics 2023-2024. As per the revised syllabus, there will be 31 questions in the exam. Question paper contains 4 sections, namely section A, 10 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, ईच कैरिंग 1 marks. सो इसमें 10 मार्क्स आपके बन जाते हैं. सो सेक्शन बी कंटेनिंग 10 वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस, उसमें हर किसी क्वेश्चन में 2-2 मार्क्स है, तो इसमें 20 मार्क्स आपके बन जाते हैं. सेक्शन सी कंटेनिंग 8 शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस, ईच कंटेनिंग 4 मार्क्स, सो इसमें आपके 32 मार्क्स बनते हैं. सेक्शन डी कंटेनिंग 3 लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस, ईच कैरिंग 6 मार्क्स, सो इसमें आपके 18 मार्क्स बनते हैं. So most expected questions by Dr. Aasif Hussain Nengroo, lecturer economics. So अगर हम देखेंगे माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी एक्सप्लेन द सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एन इकोनॉमी. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट एंड प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी करो. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज कंज्यूमर्स इक्विलिब्रियम, एक्सप्लेन कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूटिलिटी शेड्यूल. Fifth question will be relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Question number 6 will be explain the law of demand. Explain any three factors that affect demand. And seventh question will be discuss the percentage or geometric method for calculating price elasticity of demand. Eighth question is explain law of variable proportion with the help of schedule and diagram, or in a given table related to short run costs you have to find the missing cost numerical value. Ninth question is difference between movement along the supply curve and shift of supply curve. 10th question is explain any three features of perfect competition. 11th question is explain how equilibrium is determined under perfect competition with the help of diagram. शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस में हम अब देखेंगे. इसमें डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स: प्राइस सीलिंग एंड प्राइस फ्लोर, पॉजिटिव एंड नॉर्मेटिव इकोनॉमिक्स, change in quantity demand and change in demand, marginal utility and total utility. E question is total average and marginal revenue. F question is law of diminishing marginal यूटिलिटी. पार्ट बी अगर हम देखेंगे जो मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम इन टू सेक्टर इकोनॉमी और एनी वन मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग नेशनल इनकम. Second question is compute various national income aggregates from a given table. Third question is explain problem of double counting and define GDP deflator. Question number 4 meaning and functions of money. Fifth question explain various measures of money supply. Question number 6 explain the process of money creation by commercial bank giving a numerical example. PC and MPS. Question number 8 is define central bank and explain any three functions of central bank. Ninth question is explain the working of investment multiplier by giving a numerical example. Question number 10 is explain how equilibrium level of income is attained through saving and investment approach. Find inflationary gap and deflationary gap. Also explain how to correct this through monetary and fiscal policy. Then 12th question is what are the objectives of government budget? Explain various components of budget. 13th question how exchange rate is determined in flexible exchange rate. 14th question define depreciation of domestic currency and its impact on export and import. 15th question give three sources of each of demand and supply of foreign exchange rate. 16th question define balance of payment. What are its components? टू मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन है. आपको डिफाइन कुछ टर्म्स बताने हैं लाइक रियल जीडीपी एंड एनडीपी, नॉमिनल जीडीपी. सेकंड वन इज बी पार्ट फाइनल गुड्स एंड intermediate goods. Then we have voluntary unemployment and involuntary unemployment. D question is autonomous and accommodating transition in BOP. E question is devaluation and depreciation of domestic currency. F question is revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. G question is revenue deficit and capital deficit. H question is balance of trade and balance of payments. Then another question we have I question that is current account and capital account in BOP. J question is current account surplus and current account deficit. K question is direct taxes and indirect taxes with example. And last question is stock and flow. So these are important questions in economics for class 12th. Hopefully you will get enough marks from this very guess. Thank you for your cooperation.